Hi there, here's Claudia. Happy to be here with you with my little popping cupcake treat. After I published this on Whimsy Facebook page, some people asked me, how did you make this with these intense colors on the black background? How did you color? So I did a little bit of magic, and today I share with you the little magic I've done. As you can see, I'm in a simple Word. You don't need professional or big or difficult software to use the DigiStamps. So we remove our cutie and we go to take in the document, the pictures of the sweet cupcake treat. You go there and search it on your computer. You see there's a JPEG and a PNG file. If you buy a digital stamp of Whimsy, you all the time get two file versions, and I show you now the difference, because for the little magic also we need both, so I take both together in the document. So, and now we need them in the front. So this is the PNG, this is the JPEG. In the PNG you see there's no background, just the cutie has a white space where you color it normally, and the JPEG is layered on a white frame. This gives you different possibilities, different opportunities, and as I said, for my magic we need both together. Let's first make the background to black as I used it. So what happens? You see lines are here, lines you don't see, these cool swirls. So very easy. There's a part where you can format your pictures. There's the point color, and there's new coloring. I hope it's something like this in English. There's bleached. If you choose this, all the dark lines will be made lighter. This is also a version you can use for almost no line technique if you want to have or less of black lines. Now we have these tiny swirls, and if you color with pencils, sometimes they are not so sharp and they're a little bit too thick, and then we are going apart and you have the color in the black. So I want to make sure that I have a little bit more chance to meet the line, and therefore I started with a JPEG version. Here I made the same, I bleached it, and then I want to remove the background. All the white space have to be gone, and this you can do with the transparent color. Now it's gone. Wait. You click it and everything what is white is gone, but not everything. The little magic you see here, there is a tiny line, white line around the gray. And if you combine now both, this can you do with click one, take the shift key, click the second one. On the picture format you can organize them horizontal and vertically centered, and then they are both on the same space, and immediately group it, because if you move it then you have both together and nothing will be lost. And now you have this cool tiny magic, because the lines are a little bit thicker for the coloring, and also they will be more intense on the picture because they are thicker. Now this was the full magic. Now you can print it and you can color it. Perhaps you don't like a black background, so give him a purple, could be nice. You can play around here also with color, something like this for example could be also beautiful, and then you make some pattern around. Or you can even combine the background with a beautiful digi paper. You know, I like purple, so let's see for one which you like. Could be this one. It's in a grass field. Perhaps now we need to make it a little bit bigger. That makes sense. Ooh, this was not the intention. It should be in the portion. So now it's too big. And right there. And now look! He's in a turquoise purple field. How sweet! I hope you did like my first screen tutorial. I wish you all happy crafting, and if you have some questions, please write me. I try to help you. Thanks for joining. Bye bye.